You don't like it?
No, I don't like
Go
it.
have your own goddamn meeting. I'm finished.
What happened?
No, I am finished. I am sick and tired of you assholes. I have had enough. You can go to hell. You have a fucking question on everything I do. Shove it up your ass.
What did I do wrong?
No, I have had enough. Goodbye. I'm not going to any goddamn meeting.
What did I do wrong? Explain.
Oh, you're a prick. That's what you did wrong. And I have no idea how you got that way. Go examine everybody else. But I'm finished. I've had enough of you and your bullshit. I don't want to go to any more fucking meetings. I've had enough. Fuck it. I've had enough. I cannot deal with this shit. All I get from you guys is bullshit. Bullshit, bullshit. I'm going to move this fucking thing along, and you guys don't want to do it. Fuck you. And that's official. You can go to hell. I don't give a shit what you do, how you do it, or how you vote from now on. Shove it up your ass. Did you film that? Thank you.